In today's video, I will show you how to change the password of your Synology NAS server. Right after you log in to your Synology NAS server, you will see an interface like this. After logging in, you need to click on the human-shaped icon located at the top right corner. There you will find an option called Personal, or see an icon which you need to click on. You can see it on the screen right now. You can now see an option called Password highlighted on the screen. This is where you need to change your password. If you look further down, you will find a button named Change Password. Click on it to update your password. To change the password, first you need to enter your old password. Then you have to enter your new password twice. After that, click on Apply, and your password will be successfully changed. As you can see, we have successfully changed the password. So, by following these steps, you can easily change the password of your network-attached device. Now, let's log into our server using the new password. So now you can see that we have successfully logged into our Synology NAS server account using the new password. In this way, you can easily change your password as well. However, you must remember the new password carefully, because if you forget it, resetting the server password will not be very easy. We hope that through this video, you have been able to complete your necessary task. If our channel has been helpful to you in any way, we would definitely encourage you to subscribe to our channel. This way, we can continue to help you with more videos like this and stay motivated to work on many new topics in the future. To take our channel to greater heights in the future, your support is absolutely essential. We kindly ask you to stay with us as we'll be continuously updating this channel with fresh content, including more videos on Synology NAS. Your support will not only help us grow, but also inspire us to create even more valuable content for you. We truly appreciate having you as part of our community.